right, we're back for another front yard curb appeal video, and this was gonna be a great one. We're going to Euclid, Ohio, which is right outside of Cleveland, and they are famous for the world's largest meatball sub. No, it's Pillow Drill Factory First Aid Kit. They actually are famous in 1969 for inventing the first cordless phone. So, all that time you're spending on your phone, you can thank Euclid for it. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get in, we got a $5,000 to $10,000 budget from our client, and wanna focus on pink, purple, and yellow. They want a very minimalist, easy landscape. And here's the thing, when you're in Ohio, it gets a lot of snow, right? A lot of snow. We want to make sure we got seasonal interest. So what's a design we can put together that's gonna look good majority of cold months, right? They get a lot of cold weather there. So that's what we're gonna do. You're gonna love this one. So let's get right in there, crunch it out. Okay, it's party time. We are gonna get in there and start getting rid of stuff. We got some photoshopping going on, and the mailbox is the thing that I want to take out of place. I think that it looks absolutely goofy on this side. I'd actually move it to the other side of the walkway. As you see, we're getting rid of these other plants. I will say that this is not a horrible landscape. What is missing in this, what I really notice, is it's just very flat. There's all these curves and all these small lower bushes and grasses, and it just doesn't serve the actual house. So here's what I wanted to do. Let's go with a little bit different off the cuff versus the typical curves that you're gonna see on a linear run like this. I thought, you know, straight lines is going to bring more of a zen and modern vibe to this actual split level home. Split level homes are dated, so how can we update this thing and make it look really good with the existing architecture? So by doing linear runs and then framing them with really nice edging stones. And here's the trick with edging stones. You wanna pick edging stones that are of a similar color palette to the house. So I pulled the colors off of the siding, or not the siding, the stone on the house, and that's how we did it. So you see I threw a pot up there, and now we are working on the coolest part of this entire design. One of the things that I have noticed that makes such a difference with a lot of zen and modern and really cool landscaping is a knee wall or these really cool wood spots. And then you put the actual address on it. So I absolutely love that. I think it makes a big difference. Now what we're doing is we put in some arborvitaes that are anchoring on the sides of the windows, and now we're getting into our pinks and purples. We got some azaleas on the backdrop. Now we've got some soft touch hollies for that winter interest. We're also putting in boulders, and we're gonna start to splash color around there. I got some lavender as the backdrop behind the boulder, and then we've got baskets of gold. This could be another perennial or annual coreopsis, could be an option there. And now what we're doing is we're bringing balance to the entire design. Now we're pulling those boulders and we're actually framing along our really cool focal point in the front with the address, and then we're duplicating the baskets of gold, the soft touch hollies. We're gonna put some lavender in there. We're gonna make sure that it doesn't get too busy and it's got this simplistic yet balanced vibe, which is exactly what got pulled off here. Now we're balancing out the other side of the driveway with some soft touch hollies. And what do I always preach? Light up your investment, especially this really cool little knee wall with the address and the boulders. The boulders and the knee wall are the pops. There's the before, there's the after, boom, here it comes at night. What do you think about that? That is how you can splash up and jazz up a split level house that doesn't have much going on. If you like these kind of videos, go check this one out. This is Bobby K saying creation is everything, so go out and create. See you on the next one.